In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a brake bleed on a Subaru Forester. In your engine area, right next to your strut, is your master cylinder. You want to remove your cap. You want to remove your screen just by pulling it out with a screwdriver. Put that off to the side. And you want to remove your fluid from your master cylinder. Now you're going to fill your master cylinder to the max line. Once you've filled your master cylinder to the max line, install your screen and your cap. Our bleed procedure is starting at the right front wheel, then going to the left rear wheel, then going to the left front wheel, then finally the right rear wheel. We're starting at the right front. To do your brake bleed procedure, you're going to have somebody sit in the vehicle, push the brake all the way down to the floor, let it come up, and keep pumping like that until you tell them. We're going to open up our bleeder with an 8mm wrench. Pump it. Once he holds the brake down, open up the bleeder. During this brake bleed procedure, you want to have straight, clear fluid with no bubbles. Once all the fluid comes out, close your bleeder. Pump it. Once he's holding the brake, open the bleeder. Then close the bleeder. Pump it. Once he's holding the brake, open the bleeder again. Now you want to clean your area with brake cleaner. Wipe it and install your cap. Once we're done with number 1, we're going to go to number 2, which is the left rear wheel. Remove your cap, install your hose, pump it up. Once he's holding, open the bleeder. Pump it up. Once he's holding, open the bleeder again. Then close your bleeder. Remove your hose, spray your area, and install your cap. After bleeding your second wheel, you want to top off your fluid. You can just take the cap off, you don't need to remove your screen. And then reinstall your cap. Now bleed the third caliper, the same as we did the first caliper. And now the fourth caliper, the same as we did the second caliper. Now that we're done bleeding our 4 calipers, we need to top off our fluid for the last time. And then reinstall your cap. After you're done bleeding your brakes, you want to install your 4 wheels, torque them down, take it for a good road test, and make sure you have a firm pedal.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.